What's up guys, Anubhav here. Welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. Now today we're talking about VSCO Cam and essentially how you can create an incredibly aesthetic looking edit using this application, which is absolutely for free on the Apple App Store as well as the Google Play Store. So if this video topic interests you, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so this is VSCO Cam in case you guys were not aware with it. VSCO is essentially a photographer's dream place because it acts as probably the only aesthetic photo editor available out there for Instagram. Now, once you open up to edit a picture, you'll be presented with a lot of different filters, but you don't want to get overwhelmed by that and get to the second one, which is essentially a list of tools to help you correct your photo to a much more aesthetically pleasing presence. So over here, you can control things such as the exposure, the contrast, the sharpness, basically add a little bit of vignette, turn up the saturation as well as the clarity, and basically the settings here are really good and they help you get the most optimum feel out of your image. And you've got also a little bit high-tech stuff such as the highlights and the shadows, which basically let you achieve a split toning feel. You can also configure things such as skin tones and add vignettes in case they are present in your photo, and a little bit of grain never hurt anybody. And you've also got something called fade, which lets you add this faded filter effect. Now all in all, it's a very good application, and once you're done with the adjustment section, you can go to the preset section. And this is why VSCO is famous, because of the different filters and the presets that they have. Now with the free version, that is the free app that you download, you get a handful of them right out of the box. But if you get the VSCO X subscription, which is the pro subscription that they offer, you can get access to a lot of more filters which will make your photos more aesthetically pleasing. Now once you're done with your edit, you can share it directly to your Instagram, or obviously save the picture to your gallery instead and upload it the manual way. All in all, I think VSCO is one of those applications that a lot of people use it during the holiday times because it's so easy to edit as well as so intuitive and does such a good job at what it does. So I thought I'd make this short tutorial for you guys. If you guys did enjoy the video, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Until then, this is Anubhav signing out. You guys have a great day. Peace out.